Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
So we will continue on the interaction part, and today we're going to cover about heated conversations as a topic. Because sometimes the conversations start very nice and everything is going okay with mutual respect and well-mannered exchange of opinions, nothing wrong there. But suddenly, out of the blue, everything kind of goes ballistic.
Why are they all looking at me?
Because my subconscious feels that someone else is creating this world. The more you change things, the quicker the projections start to converge on you.
Converge?
They sense the foreign nature of the dreamer. They attack like white blood cells fighting an infection.
Like they're going to attack us?
No. Just you.
So what do? You want to leave the now heated conversation because it's dragging your energy up, but you do not want to be perceived as abandon the conversation, or even worse, silence consenting, a point or two, made by the person that's switched to the heated mode, right? So there are many ways you can do that, graciously step back from a heated conversation. The most common one, everybody kind of use is to buy time.
Computer, activate the emergency command hologram.
Or, you can say also tomorrow is another day approach, right? You can say something like, let me think about that. Or you can also consider something like, you may be right, or I understand your point, right? So remember, understanding doesn't mean you agree. You're just saying you understand his or her point, right? It's up to you right? How you handle heated conversation. I'm not here to tell you what to do, but usually angry online discussions keep you spinning in circles and usually make the problem even worse. So do yourself a favor, avoid heated conversation at all costs. Basically, you just turn the page. All right, so as action, build a list of swear words to have in hand when the heat conversation started and you started to put all these words back. No, just kidding, okay? So what you're going to do is build the opposite. You're going to build a list of diplomatic phrases you can use in heated conversations. Why you do that is because creating that in advance when you are calm and relaxed is much, much better tactics than to do it live on the heat of the conversation, right? So prepare that in advance, and when this kind of situation appear, you just use one of those phrases that we talk about, right? Let me think about it. You may be right. I understand, etc. Okay? So see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.